Ticketing systems are a crucial part of an IT department, as they allow users to submit tickets for issues they may be having. Not only can this system be an efficient way to fix problems, but you can also use it to document the work you do in the IT department. In this demo, we're going to be using a software called Spiceworks. The Helpdesk ticket system is just one of several options you can see on the list here. Now, there are two ways to create a ticket. The first is a tech who has access, creates one with this new ticket button here. This will bring up a menu to create the ticket. Our contact is the user having the problem, who happens to be Jack O'Neill. The Related To field is designated for our equipment such as PCs, servers, and printers. Let's populate this with TestOut-PC1, since it's in our inventory list. The summary should give a generic overview of the issue like PC won't turn on. Also, a description would be handy to give the tech who's looking at this more information, such as tried many attempts to turn PC on would be an example. Assigned to is the tech who's servicing this ticket request. Generally, this field won't be populated if the tech hasn't accepted the ticket yet, but since this is a tech-submitted ticket, we can populate it. If there were a due date, due time, or priority, you could populate these fields as well. Category, in this case, would be hardware. If there were screenshots or extra information to include, we could upload them as attachments with our submission. Click Save when finished. Now you can see the ticket is created and is listed in Open Tickets. We do have the ability to filter tickets by categories such as unassigned, open, closed, or even all. This could be helpful depending on how busy your environment is. Generally, users who submit tickets won't have access to view the ones in the help desk. For that reason, there's a user portal for them to submit their tickets from, and there's minimal work needed to set this up. Our portal address for the ticketing system is https://testout-server:9676/portal. I'm going to log out of the technician account so we can see what a user's view would look like. From here, the user can submit their email and click Login. If the user doesn't have an account created, they'll be prompted to provide more information. One cool thing is that Spiceworks does have the ability to sync with Microsoft Active Directory, so this could cut out an extra step for users. All they'd have to do is provide an email address. For the sake of this example, we'll input the user information. Janet Fraser is the user submitting the ticket. We could populate this with more information, but this will do for now. Let's click Save. Just like the previous ticket, we're able to populate the summary, such as with cannot open PDF, and a description such as whenever attempting to open a PDF, it doesn't do anything. If we had a screenshot, we could provide it here. Go ahead and submit the request. Now, let's go back to our Helpdesk Tech Console. As you can see, we have several tickets created in our queue. If a ticket is in the accept state, that means it hasn't been assigned to a user, such as this one here. All the information pertaining to the selected ticket will be below. You can update notes on the ticket here. A nice thing is that there's a public response area where users can see the updates and also an internal note area that only Helpdesk technicians who have access can see. This could be good for extra notes that might not pertain to the user, but could help solve the issue faster. Let's go ahead and put a response in for this broken keyboard that says, "Replace keyboard with new one." Select the checkbox, close the ticket, and click Save. This will automatically close the ticket and put a response on it at the same time. Now when we change our filter to Closed Tickets, we can see the ticket we just closed in there. It's always good to inform the user that you're closing a ticket before doing so to make sure their issues are actually resolved. That's it for this demo. In this demo, we showed you how to create a ticket and how to use the SpiceWorks ticketing system.